The air temp is 59 Fahrenheit.
Same spot.
10 laps.
Is this lap 4? Race 4 only?
Race 5.
Race 5.
That's 5, is that it?
That's
Oh, I thought it was
5,
6. Oh my god, okay.
All good? You going to take off this time, Tommy?
I'm gonna try.
Reverse, lads.
Have you turned your auto clutch on? Just in case.
Tommy's in front of me. Fuck.
Yeah, I know.
Brandon, watch out for Tommy.
Boy car in front of me, Tony.
Anyone in the right lane, don't.
I think Dan's in front of you. Have fun, lads. Nice and clean, boys.
Oh, we took off. It's okay.
Oh no. Oh, shit.
Jesus.
Terry didn't know.
Someone turned me around, I didn't get a great start.
End of my
Yeah, sorry, Terry. I've got a high one.
Car left, hold your line.
That was my fault though. It was like,
Clear left.
I've got to restart it because I didn't get a chance to put auto clutch back on.
Oh, to your right, on your right. Make up your mind, woman.
No, I'm not giving this up with the
Still
kid.
there. Hold your
Good
line.
racing.
Green flag sector 1. Fucking excellent start. Well done.
Still there.
Old mile line.
Clear left.
Whoa!
Clear right.
oh shit!
Oh no, it sounds like carnage.
Clear right.
Huh?
You've had a lot of air damage there, mate.
Oh, it's
Sorry,
like-
pretty fast.
Okay, I wasn't me.
Where's that pink car?
I'm driving in a straight line.
Where did that come
Sector 2
from?
is clear.
You now.
And you know the funny thing, Dan?
Thanks, Dev.
I'm in 4th. You shot me past everybody.
Yeah, but you took me out, Tony.
No, because I felt
I didn't
shit.
take it out, I got taken out.
I felt
Hey, right.
shit about that for a minute, man.
Yellow flag.
I was trying to back out of it, and I just clipped you.
You can see
caught
Keith
your corner.
and Eric.
That's all right.
With the
Yeah.
It's
exits.
not a Mavin.
Sector 3 is clear. Green flag.
On your
I'm
left.
in 4th.
Hold your line.
Sorry for the scare, JT.
Clear left.
P5.
Sorry for the carnage, fellas.
Big apology, Terry. Sorry.
On your left. Still there. Clear left.
Oh no, Oggie's in front of me.
Yellow flag in sector 1.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh,
Shit!
Well, that's big.
Sector 2 is now yellow.
What a... I just saw Tommy flash past as well. Oggie get you?
yeah. It's
I
alright.
have to save this
replay. I've
Clear
literally just been
Green flag
got through
sector
every
2.
accident.
You're locking your left front into.
You lucky, lucky
I'm
bastard.
in fifth from 19.
Green flag sector 1. The leader has just done a 118.11.
I got through that one.
Lap 2.
Is it?
Yep, we're on 3 now.
Oh, JT.
And it's
Oh, no.
and it's race
Sector
5.
three.
Race 5.
10th position.
Oh, Jesus. Twice I'm going backwards.
Sector 3 is clear. Gap to Jaro behind is increasing. It's now 3.5 seconds. Sector 2 is yellow. Alright Tom, you're reeling Anderson in. The gap's now 2.2 seconds. is leading the race.
Get that into your lungs, Nathan.
Left side.
Oh
Clear
shit.
left.
Sector 1 is 0.7 off the pace.
Sorry, Paul.
Well done,
Nah,
good
you're
pass.
right, man.
The gap to Anderson behind is now 1.0. P9. The gap ahead is now 1.8.
Oh, Terry. Hang on to her.
Yeah, just held it.
Good racing, Leon.
No worries. I've got no tyres. I pissed on before the race.
You've just done out 119.30.
Racing, Mike.
Staying out of your road.
Ah, Dev.
I got no hope. I got no tyres.
I've got no tyres either, mate. It's like cakes of soap.
Yellow flag
Sorry,
in
Danny,
sector
that was
3.
an epic move.
Sorry, man. Sorry, what happened there?
Looks like P6 has got off in white corner. Push, 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 or we'll lose this place. P7.
Yeah, sorry. I was coming up on your outside as you're moving over, but I wasn't anywhere near where I should have been to be there. So I'm sorry about that.
Oh, good, just racing isn't.
Green flag in sector 3. Anderson behind is now 4.1. The gap in front has increased. It's now about 3.1.
Wasn't sure where you were, Paul. So I had to make
You're
some
right,
room.
man.
Good racing.
Bloody hell, it's good racing. Look at the
There you go.
cut the grass, mate.
119.52. Green flag in sector 2.
Nice move, Paul.
Oh, jeez, Terry, that's good racing, mate. Oh, unbelievable.
One more to go. The gap to Anderson behind is now 7.3 seconds. The gap in front has increased to 3.4.
That was more like it.
P7, that's the end of the race. Never mind.
Keep your foot in it, Mike.
No.
Yeah, it was good racing, mate.
Made a mistake.
Fucking hell, Ryan, that was fucking good.
That's so good.
Fucking racing, mate.
That's good to hear, Dave. Bring it home, Leo. Good boy.
Well,
Well done,
White
Finchie.
Dog, Tony, Finchie, Bella, Tim, nice
There we
drive,
go,
buddy.
White Dog, Finchy, Tony,
Yeah, well done, White Dog.
Tim, nicely
Oh, White
done.
Dog. Tony, that was a good
Yeah.
chase, mate.
That was brilliant chase, man. That was
Yeah,
good, good.
Well done, White
good,
Dog, Tony.
mate. I thought you had me when, yeah.
I
But
thought
got
about
slipped behind. I got slipped behind Tim. No, and you went.
Yeah.
But I got slipped behind Tim. So
Yeah, you did, yeah.
Welcome to
Fantastic.
Tony's, Tony.
Yeah.
thanks,
How's
mate.
it feel?
I don't know. I'll be. Oh no, hang on. He wouldn't know.
That was epic at the end there, Ryan.
Yeah, no, I didn't want to touch you, Tony, because you had such a shit night. I didn't want to hit you.
I got destroyed.
Terrified of
by
going
Tony
anywhere
on
near you.
that
Yeah, sorry, mate. That wasn't me. I hope you know that. I got pulverised.
You got polterized.
Yeah, I got pulverised, man. So
Sorry about that knock at the start, Terry. It's on your own.
Oh, well, yeah. I mean, I didn't get a great start. So